Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip S, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with your phone. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the side button. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the list of languages. Here you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list. Now find the language you like to use and tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English, and after you select the language, you should see the QR code. That means we need to download and install the Zap app on our phone. You can do it by scanning the QR code with your phone, or you can open the App Store on your phone, tap on search, type in Zap. Here, if you have more than one apps, you need to select the Zap one from Huami Inc. Then, when you see this page, tap on Install button and wait until the app is done installing. After the app is done installing, you can tap on Open button to open it. In the app, we need to log in or create a new account. Basically, you can log in into an existing account or create a new one if you need to. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in to mine, but you can create an account by tapping on Create an Account Now button. I'm gonna tap right here, enter my email address, then tap here and give me a few seconds. I'm gonna enter the password. And once you're done, tap on Sign In. After you log in, tap on Got it. Here you can allow or deny some permissions like storage. I'm gonna allow it. And now you should see the home page of the app. Here, tap on Profile icon. Now let's tap on Add Device button. Select Watch category. Here tap on Got it. And now we can allow or deny the permission for the location. I'm gonna tap on while using the app, but you can deny it if you want. But I'm not sure if you will be able to pair the device without the location. Okay, let's tap on while using the app. Then go back, tap Got it again, and now you can allow or deny the permission for the camera. In case if you need to scan the QR code, I'm gonna allow it because I know we will need to scan the QR code, my bad. And now we can select watch with QR code or watch without QR code. We have a QR code on our watch, so I'm gonna select watch with QR code, wake up the screen on our watch, and now I'm gonna pick up my phone and scan the QR code with our phone, like this. Let's wait. Now let's confirm the pairing on our watch by tapping the check mark. And once you see this page, that means our devices are paired. You will also need to wait until the AGP is done updating. It might take a couple of minutes. And once it's done, you should be able to use your watch. As you can see, it's done updating, and now we can use our watch. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.